recording. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Market just opened. We swept out these 1 hour highs and all these 5-minute highs here. Swept all that shit out on Nasdaq. On ES, we swept out 1 5-minute high, and we created relative equal highs. We swept out all these lows. This one. Nasdaq did the same thing. It swept out way more lows, and I'll be surprised if it leaves out this London low. So we need to break structure to the upside, and then the retracement if we want to go higher. And honestly, like, the S&P is looking way more bullish than the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is just looking. But if we are going downwards to cause it to form a high time frame retracement, then obviously I'm going to take a trade on Nasdaq, because that retracement could go pretty damn deep, especially after like quite literally just going up and up and up and up for the past couple of days only. Look how crazy that is, man. I probably expect a retracement like from here to here. I think we kind of already did sort of retrace here, sort of. But I'll definitely be expecting a retracement if we go all the way down here. If we are like showing selling power, if we're showing, you know, shorts for the day, then that's probably like my final take profit. If not, after sweeping out all these lows, it probably would be my final take profit. But yeah, let's see what happens. We still got 30 seconds into this 5-minute candlestick closes. 30 more seconds till this 5-minute candlestick closes. Let's see what the S&P is doing. It's kind of shitting in the bed right now. Hopefully it closes below this low, and I can call it. Then I can trace out an equilibrium. ES is kind of shitting the bed right now. We're going to create a doji candle. A doji candle was created, meaning that candlestick doesn't even like fucking exist. Break structure to the downside on Nasdaq. So let's draw a retracement. Let's see what happens. I think we're just gonna sweep out these relative equal highs before continuing lower. I'll be surprised if we don't sweep out these London lows, I'll be honest. Absolutely shitting the bed, yes. See retracement here on Nasdaq, hopefully soon. We didn't break structure, we created a doji candle instead on ES, so we can't really do anything. Created a small gap here, but it's probably going to be invalidated as soon as the 5-minute candlestick closes, unless it doesn't retrace back upwards. Probably gonna sweep out London low as I expected. If we don't sweep out London low, then I'm gonna like be shocked. Oh, there we go. Alright, now I don't know. I feel like ES was letting Nasdaq catch up and sweep out this low before continuing higher now. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we swept out this low. Hopefully we close this candlestick, inverse this gap, and then retrace, buying power to the upside, target these London highs. Did we create London highs on ES as well? I think one of the indexes didn't. Oh no, one of the index didn't create Asia highs. I think Nasdaq swept out Asia highs. Yep, must have. So that means we should be taking longs on ES today to target Asia highs if we got buying power. But it kind of looks like we are sort of maybe perhaps might be dipping. see what ES is doing. We need ES to break structure. ES to break structure below this low. Not this one. Not a doji candle. Doji candles when price closes at the exact same price that it entered. I literally just don't. I just completely ignore doji candles. I just pretend they don't even exist because they are fucking useless. I won't lie. Price literally closes at the same price that it opened in, so doji candles are absolute dog shit. Don't even fucking. I need to stop swearing, bro. Let's see what we do. I'm hoping we keep this gap. Okay, well, I mean, beggars can't be choosers. Let's see what happens. We're gonna swoop out these relatively equal highs for sure. That's what I feel like. We may be retracing now, actually, on the Nasdaq. The issue is we still need ES to break structure to the downside. Still got a little bit over a minute before we need ES to break structure to the downside. A little bit over a minute. We reached equilibrium. We're on our last step on that on the Nasdaq. If we break structures below this low, then potential sell order. But kind of have to wait until ES break structure to the downside as well, and starts retracing as well. Just got 40 seconds. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. We haven't broke structure yet. Hopefully it's giving ES some time to catch up. We've got 30 seconds till the candlestick closes. The 5-minute candlestick closes. Surely break structure. Looks like it will. As soon as we do that, I'm gonna draw. Can't see shit, man. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, cool. We haven't break structure to the downside yet on Nasdaq. We may be retracing on ES before continuing higher. We're in the equilibrium on ES. See if there's selling power to the downside after doing this. If Nasdaq breaks structure to the downside and ES does the same thing, then I'm taking shorts on Nasdaq. I also got to remember that there's relative equal highs up here, so we could sweep it out before continuing lower. Hopefully we don't, because that's where I want to put my stop loss, even though it's probably a bad idea. I don't want to put it above the first high. If I put it above the first high, there's a high chance, well, I mean, what I found, there's a high chance for price to sweep out the 1 minute high before continuing lower. Okay, my shit's glitched. I'm gonna have to go on fucking 1 minute time frame. Alright, we're retracing deep. We haven't broke structure yet. Come on. Right, if we break structure, I'm gonna have to take a trade on. Oh my god, dude. We need that candlestick to close before we can enter. Wait, what? There we go. Loki, I'm just hoping we don't reverse here, because we did just no, we didn't. Never mind. Where did I take it? Like this. No. I'll probably put my stop right here. I'd low-key just want a one-to-one, man. We broke structure on the 1 minute on both time frames. I don't think we're gonna. For some reason, I don't think we're gonna go higher. Let's just get all this shit out the fucking way, bro. It'll probably just sweep out these two highs. Honestly, I'm thinking about moving my stop loss a little bit higher because it'll probably sweep these two up before continuing lower. I would be surprised if we don't sweep out Asia lows, actually. Unless we did sweep it out already and I just messed up my mark. No, I didn't mark it wrong. We didn't sweep out Asia low. We should have. It's not looking too good, guys. It's not looking too good. Well, Did we create a gap here? No. We created a gap here on ES though. Hopefully that gets completely inversed and we break structure to the downside on the Nasdaq. What did we even do on that move up? That move up was completely fucking useless, man. I did check it on Nasdaq, which is the more bearish index. That's a good sign. Looks like we're probably just retracing into that gap. Damn. Yeah, that's not great. That gap is still there. We still could inverse it. But I need pure dumpage. Please. Pleases. Can I have pure dumpage today? Dump, dump, dump. Right there. Yeah, I created a lot of highs here for us to sweep out. I won't lie. We could just like Okay, ES is looking a bit more cool. Please invest, please invest, please invest. 5 seconds to like stick candlestick closes. Shit's lagging or something. Why is my trade locker just so slow, man? So annoying. We didn't end up investing that gap, but we are continuing lower, which is a good sign. Surely we go invest this gap. We've got 10 seconds to invest it. This shit is so laggy. My trade locker is still cooked. We're kind of consolidating. Hopefully we either break structure or invest this gap. Is my shit gonna work now? Please break structure. Please. That would be very nice. We may invest this gap, or we may not. We need to break structure below this low. Not cool, dude. Not cool. That was so weird. As soon as that 1 minute candlestick closed, we just dumpage. See my trade, my fund on the account trade is going. Please break structure. Looks like we just probably just swept it out instead. We've got 30 seconds for us to. Alright, so what do we need to do? We need to break below this low. And we need to. Let's just get rid of this fucking shit, bro. Get rid of that shit. Looks like we are going to break below that low, which is a good sign. Okay, cool. We broke structure on not both indexes, unfortunately. Alright, potential take partial profit on after sweeping out these Asia lows. Okay, we take up partial profits. Oh shit. I gotta watch out. For some reason I think we're just going to continue lower. Damn, that was so close to my No. No. Bro. Oh my god, I did it. Ah, let's go. Oh, my trade doesn't get exited out from whatever. Oh my god, that's it. Ah, let's go. Okay, what if I made an extra $40 on accident? Funded account made accidentally made extra 30. Will this not qualify me as a funded? Holy shit, no fucking way. What did I tell you, bro? I can't believe it. My first funded account ever. My first ever funded account. Ever. And I just stayed disciplined. 4 months is all it took. 4 months. 4 months of learning how to trade. And I passed my first funded account. 4 months and you can learn how to learn how to do this shit so easily, man. Like, this shit is not hard. You just gotta dedicate yourself, and it's definitely more psychology than strategical, but you can fucking do this for sure. 4 months is all it took me to pass this fucking funded account. I'm saying 4 months as in I started trading 4 months ago. I didn't even know I didn't even know what a fair value gap was 4 months ago. I didn't know what liquidity sweeps were 4 months ago. I didn't know what any of that shit was. And now I'm here on my first funded account that I've ever bought. I've never blown a funded account. This is my first one I've ever bought, and I passed the eval stage. Holy shit, man. Come on, let's fucking go, dude. Let's see our futures, see what